channel. Welcome back, guys. I've actually gone too far. I'm coming to this place in National Stadium. There's this water place. They usually do kayaking. So I'm just coming here for the first time.
Not capsize.
So guys, we are ready for this adventure. As you can see, the person videoing me is the person that invited me here. So you guys, yeah.
You pack the water. Are you a fish in your former life? Was it where your forefathers fishermen?
Cooking soul,
Peace, guys. We're going in now.
I'm scared.
Guys, this is fun, man. This is super fun, guys. I'm going all the way. Can we see this? I can't actually do it with one hand, actually. But this is fun, in as much as it's quite scary. But I feel like it's fun. Look at those fishes behind me. They are scared. Me, I'm not. I think I'm loving it here. Ooh, look at the sun. Guys, this place is super fun and relaxing, but you know, around the side is quite scary, but fun. Oh, so I'll show you guys around. Let me turn this video and show you guys around. If you're in Abuja, try and come and explore this place. You will love it. If you love adventures, come here. You see that? Can you see that? Although that side is quite scary. Can you see the bush there? It's quite scary though, but in the middle of the water, it's fun. I think it's man-made. the content you all signed up for. Hey, look at that sun, man. The sun is so sweet, man. Guys, this place is very therapeutic, man. Therapeutic, not therapeutic. It's very therapeutic, guys, man. You guys just come here. Look at these girls. You guys should try and come here and have fun. You're in Abuja. Can you see that? Can you see that water? All this water. All this water. Okay. Yeah, I'm going. I'm finally done. We've finally come to an end of all this stuff. Okay. So guys, see you guys. So this is the entrance and this is the exit of the place. This is how it looks like from afar, or let's say from the entrance. They have these tires all set up for the walkway, and I can see some dirt there and some round huts. Guys, this place is fully secured. To be honest, when I was coming in, we were scared that why are there bushes everywhere, but this place is truly secured. This is how it looks like from when you are coming in. It has farms everywhere just to reduce the bushes and all that around there. This is inside the National Stadium, mind you, and the security there is really high, so you are you are safe. Like nothing can happen to you when you get here. It's so relaxing. I recommend this place fully because I can go there anytime to go and relax. This place is so relaxing. So this is us exiting the place now, and this is the National Stadium. There is a bridge inside the stadium. Just once you pass that bridge, then you see cars around there, and that is where the water is. This place is the National Stadium. As you can see, it's inside the stadium, so it's fully secured because nobody just enters there anyhow. And that's it, guys. So see you on my next stop. We're just going to have a little fun, and that's all. So guys, I'm done. I'm going home now. Well done, Oga. Well done. Bye, guys. So we decided to have a girls hangout here in the Pear in Kado. This place is very lovely, but guys, so whatever you are doing, avoid this drink I'm holding. It's called Long Island. Avoid it, guys, for your own self, your sanity. Avoid this drink. Okay guys, I've come to an end. This video has come to an end because my battery died, so I wasn't able to film more. So please do make sure to subscribe and see you on my next video.